Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.